Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. One of my favorite things to do with every new country I go to is to hit that ATM machine and pull out some local currency. So here I am in Guatemala, and I exchanged some money, and for this next episode of What Does $10 US Get You? Here it gets you 77 quetzales, which is the Guatemalan currency, and I'll just kind of zoom in on what that looks like. So basically a big pile of quetzales. That's the $1 coin for $10 US. So can't wait to get out there and start spending it and show you what I was able to get. This might be the best ice cream in Guatemala. Here, this is pineapple flavored with, is this strawberry? Alright, so he's got beautiful homemade gelato, yeah, a little bit there, nice. Alright, this beautiful pineapple gelato or sorbet. I'm so bad with the different names. It's not ice cream, but it's maybe sherbet. This is only 5 quetzals, so less than $1 Canadian for one scoop. And this gentleman is hustling hard here. And there's been a line up there for the last hour, basically. So I hope he's making some money, and it is very, very good, very, very tasty. So. On my what could $10 US get you? This is a beautiful, nice treat. Very, very sweet. And this was only 5 quintals. So they got this beautiful covered market right in the heart of Antigua, and you got tons and tons of amazing artisanal crafts and clothing, coffee. Really, really nice. Beautiful. Hey, so what I was able to get in that market was this beautiful coffee. Again, I can't say enough good things about the coffee here in Guatemala. It's very, very flavorful, aromatic. I can just smell it through the bag. So one tip I have is buy the whole beans and then grind it at home. So that's probably the best tip for good coffee. And yeah, I look forward to sharing that with some of my colleagues when I get back to work. And then I got this fun shirt here. This is the famous Guatemala beer here, Gallo Cerveza. So yeah, I really like the logo. It's a pretty cool little rooster. So I got that as well, and that was so both things cost me about $10 each Canadian, so roughly $20. Again, did I overpay? More than likely. But yeah, I was able to negotiate a little bit, and again, it seemed reasonable to me for a shirt and a coffee. So that's just one of those things you have to kind of feel out for yourself. I would say never pay what they're actually asking initially. General rule of thumb is I cut it in half, 50% of whatever they're asking, and then we kind of meet in the middle usually. So that's my rule of thumb for negotiating in markets, street markets and things like that. So especially if they don't have any prices stamped on the items, you know that you're able to negotiate. So yeah, I can't wait to try this coffee. And again, if you're gonna come to Guatemala, highly recommend drinking coffee. Even if you're not a coffee drinker, it is absolutely incredible, and the chocolate is very famous and well known here as well. Hey, so I am at a chocolate museum here in Antigua, Guatemala. This is lovely Diana. She's gonna explain some stuff for us. So please, yeah, let us know. Thank you.
Okay, these chocolates are 70% cacao, 30% sugar. It's like a dark chocolate.
Ah, okay. let's give it a try. Yeah, it's so nice.
So delicious. Do you want to try 100%?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay. These are 100% and this doesn't have sugar or anything. It's just the cacao.
100% cacao, okay. I've never tried 100% before, so here we go. It's still nice, but so many people buy that 100%? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, for what? Baking?
For eat it, for baking cakes and make whatever you want. You can prepare drinks with this. For example, the hot chocolate.
Okay, but they add sugar.
Maybe, or some people eat it like this.
Straight? Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit bitter. It's nice, but it's not what we're used to, I guess, as Canadians for it. So it's tasty, but a little bit different. A little bit different. That's wonderful.
Some hot chocolate.
I would love. Is that what he has?
Yes.
Yes, please, please,
And
please.
with mint. It's okay for you?
It's with milk?
Mint.
Beans.
Mint.
Mint. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Mint and
Mint.
chocolate and
Chocolate and mint. These are 50% sugar,
Okay.
50% cacao paste, and mint.
no milk, no leche. Okay.
No.
Oh my goodness, this smells so good. This wow, that's very good, very good. So sorry, so it's chocolate, mint, and sugar. Okay, yeah, it's very nice. Oh my goodness, the chocolate here is so delicious.
Yes.
Guatemala, one of the best chocolates in the world. Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, this is amazing. You guys have to eat all the chocolate when you come here, have all the coffee, and the ramen beer is pretty good too. In beautiful Antigua, there's the famous archway behind me. Gallo, or gallo. Gallo means rooster, and it's a lovely local beer. Hey guys, I'm in this beautiful spot in Guatemala. It's called Café, and this is as close to farm to table as coffee gets. So they got their own plantation up here. This is organic coffee. It's just literally up at the top of the hill. I'll show you how close we are. How close to the farm would you say? Meters. ¿Cuánto metros?
1500, entre 1560.
Okay, so very close.
Sí.
Very close, nice. So you grow it yourself and then you roast it. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. It's this medium roast.
Sí.
Medium, yeah.
Medium.
And sometimes you do light and dark too, or no? Only medium, solamente.
Medio.
Medio, okay,
Medio,
okay. Yeah, it's the most popular, huh? Oh my goodness, smells so good, so good. And then he puts it in a hand grinder, and he's got it right here. Just basically every one is done by hand. Just gives it a spin. It's nice and freshly ground. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, and again, the quality is incredible. There's, yeah, just, there you go. Bueno, gracias, gracias. So from there, then they obviously add hot water. They can make you like a French press if you're into that. I had a cappuccino, which was amazing, but very, very good, high quality coffee. So mucho gracias. I'm gonna like you on Facebook. Gracias.
Bye.
Hey, so having a beautiful cappuccino here. This is absolutely delicious. The coffee is unbelievable in this country, Guatemala, so I am absolutely loving it. And that was 18 quintales, so that is roughly $3 US. So I still got a long ways to go on getting my $10 spent. So So far, yeah, beautiful coffee, really nice pineapple sorbet or sherbet yesterday, and yeah, still find some lunch and something else to get for $10. So really nice. And again, I'm in a touristy spot, so obviously paying a premium for it, but the coffee is out of this world. Okay, I found Isabella selling these beautiful nuts and right in front of the lake, and this is for 25, but yeah, beautiful different types and very flavorful. And yeah, 25 quintales. Okay, so far I was able to get these wonderful nuts. These are 25 quintales plus the one beer, and this is right on the lakefront. The beer was 15 quintales, so that puts me at 40. I still got 37 more to spend, so I'm about halfway through. And again, these are pretty close to higher prices. These are definitely higher prices as it is a tourist town, but yeah, she's very cute and working hard, so I was happy to support this beautiful little business, and definitely hustling hard here on the boardwalk. So gotta push it on these rocky cobblestone streets. So this is about $4 worth of caramelized peanuts, and definitely worth it. Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching, and if you could share with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.